Right, welcome back to the Monkey's Uncle Dove's Club. We've had a problem with a second-hand awning we bought a while ago, an old canvas awning. And when we came to attach it to the van, we had to do a bit of the Heath Robinson affair and cobble something together at the time to keep it attached. The cord that goes inside here didn't quite fit inside the figure of 8 which attaches to your van. This simply wasn't wide enough and it kept pulling out. So we've had a think and we've come up with some 8mm, piece of old 8mm cable that we've had in the knocky right in the shed. So what I'm going to do is attempt to take all this out. I've unpicked one end, and this is the thin piece of cord which originally, when it was first made and bought, probably would have been ideal, but unfortunately over the years it's gone a little bit thin and it wouldn't attach to the van. So we'll take this out. So I've unpicked both ends of this, and this is the cord that was in. As you can see, it's gone flat over the years, and it's okay, but it's not good enough fit for purpose anymore. So I'm going to refit this piece of cable, feed it back through, and then what I'll do, I'll re-stitch the ends up, and then we'll fit it, show you back fitted onto the figure of 8 cable. It slides in nice and easy. Right, so now I've put the cable in all the way through that seam and stitched it up both ends. So as you can see, if I run the figure of 8 along there, that's held on nice and tight and that won't pull off in the wind. 6mm might do it, but 8mm's just the right size. So there we go, all sorted. Like the video, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you next time on the Monkey's Uncle Dove's Club.